Factory, uh, all the benefit that we offer. And I really want you to compare Loan Factory versus other company, like your company. Yeah, I want you to compare and ask a lot of questions. You know, whatever you want, any question you have, I will share with you why we are so successful. And I will show you our technology. We will show you how we move a loan from A to Z. So uh, you will see everything. And at the end, I will answer all your questions. But along the way, if you have any question about what I talk about, just raise your hand. Just click on the hand so that I can answer you. But if the question is not related, please wait to the end. Okay? There will be a lot of information that I will be sharing. So uh, let me show you, let me share with you my screen. Before we started, anyone have any question? Okay, I will share with you my screen. Let's see. So you can see the screen here. I will go back and forth. I will jump back and forth. You can see our marketplace right here. We have 247 lenders. 11 of them are active right now. They are live. So loan officer like you can, loan officer, if you have any question, you want to talk to the AE, you can actually click on the live here and talk to them. You can click on the live here and talk to them. So we bring loan officer and lender together. We want to help you reach out to the lender if you have any question. And each lender here, we show you, let's say Rocket, they do QM, Jumbo, non-QM, home equity, and DPA. So, and then you can click on it to learn more. You see, Rocket have 7 AE working with us, a lot of AE working with us. And then all of their information are here. So this is the marketplace. Not only that, the lender here, but you can filter by the lender name. You can filter by the lender name, or you can filter by wholesale or correspondent. So Loan Factory is a wholesale broker, but we also a correspondent. We are a mini core. So if you select correspondent, you see that we are licensed in 40 states. We are licensed in 40 states, and we're working with these investors. There's 5 investors: Rocket, Skylanding, PennyMac, SunWest, and Newrest. So we are a correspondent lender. You can see that we have all kind of products. So what different is right now, most of you with a small broker, you don't do business in many states, right? We are licensed in 48 states. We work with 247 lenders, and we have all kind of products: jumbo, non-QM, private loan, commercial, home equity, reverse mortgage, chattel, home loans, SBA, vacant land. So for example, commercial, you can choose commercial, and you can see that we have 55 lenders that can do commercial loan. And you can click on it to talk to the AE. You can talk to the AE, or you can click the button here, email this lender a scenario. You can type in the scenario, and you can choose to send it to 20 more lender, and then you can click send, post, okay? And all of them will get the inquiry, and they will get back to you. We send it to their phone, the email, and if you go to the lender finders here, you can see our loan officer are posting a lot of questions every day.
When you say private money, that includes hard money?
Yeah, we do, we do all kind of loans. So you post something, and then a lender will answer you. And yeah, we do have We do have hard money or private money loan, like private loan right here. So we have 91 lenders that can do private loan, and you can reach out to them. Hello, hi, Anthony.
Yeah, did I see that you have what looks like 5 or 6 mini correspondent lenders, and that you only have that many on the mini core side? 2 of 47
Yeah.
on the broker.
Yeah, correct.
Are you
240.
expanding the mini core?
Yeah, actually, we are aiming to become a fully delegated, and eventually, hopefully, end of the year, we will become a direct lender. Yep. We want to, basically, we want to be better and better. We always want to progress, and one way to become better is become a direct lender, so that we have better rate, better service, better turn time, everything better. So yes, we do have that plan. So let me continue. So this is the marketplace. On the marketplace, you can go to Loan Factory here. You can see that we have a lot. Our staff are live. Our underwriter, support specialists, they are live. They are live to, and then our corporate coach, they are live to help you. If you have any question, you can just click on it and talk to our corporate coach or our support specialist. Okay. And you can see that we have so many different departments, 41 departments. You can ask a question or you can create a ticket. You can see their time, their working hour, what do they provide support. 41 departments. I don't think any other company are like this. We have team. So we have a lot of different team. And you can join these team. You can join the team. Or you can click here to join, or you can, some team have a lot of member, 3 member, 2 member, 13 member, 4 member. You can join the team or you can create your own team. And of course, a team member have to pay the team leader a little bit, a split. It depends on the team. You need to talk to them. We have corporate coach to help loan officer, inexperienced loan officer. We have production partner where, let's say if you work with a difficult loan and you don't know how to do it, you can find a loan officer to work with, and you can split the commission with that loan officer. And it go both way. If you are if you are a specialist in some kind of loan, you can sign up to become a production partner. It can be based on language. It can be based on a lot of different things. So event, we have a lot of event happening. We have a lot of training. Event or training are almost the same. So, just 1 second. I'm writing a note. So you can see the upcoming event. A lot of upcoming event here. We have a lot of things going on every day. March 15, 16, 17. A lot of event happening every day. And you can go to the completed one and watch it. We have the list of all the trade shows around the country so that you can join. We have a list of DPA programs that you can look up by state, by lender, by criteria. So you can sign up. You can learn more about these DPA. So let me share with you a different thing. Let's see. Let me share a different screen. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you our main website, loanfactory.com. And you can see that This is a consumer-facing website. We have on the left here, on the menu on top, you see we have rate code, loan application, loan products, resources, and we have a mobile app. The mobile app, we are the only, I think the only company in America that have a workable mobile app. Our loan officer using it, our borrower using it, they don't have to go to the website. Everything happens on the app. And you can use it. You can share that to your clients. We build a version for you. You have your own QR code. But go back to the screen here. You can see we have on the left, we have $1,000 best price guarantee. So this is a program. This is a program. It's not an advertisement. It's an actual program. So the consumer, we have the term and condition here. We have terms and condition here. This only available, it's available everywhere except Washington. So the consumer can upload their loan estimate here, and we will tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, we pay $1,000 to the consumer, to the client. So we want the client to shop around. All they need to do is send us the loan estimate, and we will tell them if we can beat it or not. So we will exclude jumbo loan, the builder preferred lender. We will only honor fixed rate, conforming, FHA, and VA loans. So those are what we promised. Hey, Brian.
Hey, brother, how are you? What about like a credit union? You know, we got local credit unions here quoting 5.25, 30-year fixed rate loans. It's costing 3 points on the Rocket rate sheet. What do we do in a situation like that?
We have the term and condition right here. We exclude builder preferred lender and credit union.
Okay.
So mostly we focus on fixed rate, conventional, conforming, FHA, and VA.
Okay.
Which is 80% of the loans out there. And credit union they are a special organization. They are more like a non-profit for their member. So we don't want to compete against them. But I want to share with you one thing that we are signing up with Pylon. I don't know if some of you heard about Pylon. Their rates are very good. So hopefully in a week or two, we can work with Pylon. And we can have even better rate to compete. Okay. So this is our best price guarantee. It's very good. You all can promote it. We have marketing materials for you to promote. And in case, let's say we cannot compete, in case that we lose $1,000, loan factory will pay. You don't have to pay. That is the benefit. That will help you go out there and promote yourself, your rate. You can claim and you can promote that nobody can beat your rate. Why not, right? It's a good great way to build trust, to impress, and get attention from realtor and loan out and a consumer out there. If you can go out there and say that I can beat any price, if not, I pay $1,000. People will pay attention to you. People will know you. Okay, and then on the right side here, you can see we have a pricing engine, which is super simple to use, super easy. That is why our technology is much better than other technologies out there. The software out there are very difficult to use, and there's no such thing as consumer-facing pricing engine. I don't see many of the websites out there have this, and it's so easy to use. And we have both the full doc and no income doc pricing engine. So we can do a bank statement here, and you can run the pricing. So we have non-QM pricing engine as well at the conventional. So like right now today, what I see is 6.375 from this lender. So and then you can do a investment as well, and you can see the pricing. Oh, because we have to down more. We have to put the reserve. You can see the pricing, 6.375. Rate are going up the last 2 weeks because of the Iran war. But for the full doc, same thing here. You can run the pricing and you can see the rate. Investment, good credit score. You can see the rate here. What is even better? Let me show you why it's better. Let's say you run the pricing on the owner-occupied. The system will detect to see if the borrower qualifies for affordable home ownership programs. So for example, the borrower say my income is $230,000 and they still qualify for the rate discount. They will get good rate. So for example, if you do a 20% down payment, right? But you have a very low credit score, let's say 620. Then you can see the rate is, I'm sorry, let's say if you ignore the income, you don't take advantage of this program, you will see the rate gonna be high, right? Because the borrower have bad credit score, 8.25%. This is, so it's very high. But because the reason is there is a 2.75% adjustment, FICO FDV adjustment, 2.75. But if you state your income at 230,000, you qualify for this. And check out the rate now, 5.875. Because the adjustment have been waived. 2.75 being waived. See that? So that's why it's really important to use the technology to help you. Our loan officer, we use the pricing engine for every single client. That's why we can shop around. Look at how many lenders are there, 28 lenders. And if you look at this, we always pick the top 3 lenders. But I know that most loan officers out there, you close your eyes and you send your loan to your comfortable lender, the lender that you get used to, like VIP, Union Home, Newrest, PIMG, Homebridge. You just see how much you have to pay for almost $5,000 different. And this is why Loan Factory is so successful. We shop around for our client. We save them money. We save money for them. And this way, if we give them a super low rate like this, think about this. This client, I offer 5.875. Loan officer out there probably offer at least 6.5% because the credit score is low. Who's gonna win? And even within this, I shop around among 28 lenders. I pick the best lender for my client. Who can compete against me, right? So many lenders with high rate up here, and they still survive. They still making money. And I always send my loan to the top 3 lenders to get the best pricing. Hi, Brian. You still have a question? I guess I will skip you. Joshua? Joshua? I cannot hear you.
Hi, how are you?
Okay.
Quick question.
Good.
What program was that when you brought the income up to 200,000? What program did that generate that you could find these rates?
our pricing engine. So most loan officers don't aware that income does affect the rate. Income does affect the rate because Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they have what they call AMI adjustment, AMI waiver, area median income. So if your income is low, like here, we explain it here. Income may not exceed 100% of area median income and 120% of AMI in high cost area. If your income in this area, you qualify to receive a waiver.
So
get
that's
better rate.
so that's the
Yeah.
low income in that area because that was $230,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm in
So
Florida.
yeah. So in California, in Silicon Valley, the 100% of AMI, your area minimum income is 192,000. So, and this is the high area income in California. So the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac allow the income to be 120% of the area median income and still qualify to get better rate.
Got
And
it.
most loan officers don't even know about this.
Well, we have it in Florida, but generally if their income's lower, they don't usually have enough income to buy the
Yeah.
house.
What is your area code in Florida?
33463.
So in Palm Beach,
Mhm.
we can try it again. In Palm Beach, the 100% of AMI is 96,100. So if the income is 96,000, the borrower qualify. It's still good though, 96,000.
Right, but they'll have to buy a $400,000 house, but slightly.
Yep. I know what you mean. But in many areas around the country, it's still good. It's
Yeah, no,
still
it's excellent.
helpful.
And that
Yeah.
was that pricing. Is that pricing with lender paid or is that par?
Oh, all of these are consumer facing. So
Okay.
the consumer, when they see this, what they see is what they get.
Okay.
And this including 1% compensation for loan for the company. That 1% compensation. So like here you can click and you see 1% here, 8,000 for 1% compensation. The loan amount 800,000.
So is that loan factory comp or is that the loan officer comp?
The loan factory comp. So the lender will pay loan factory $8,000, 1%, and you keep 100%. You pay the company $595.
Oh, okay. Okay, great.
So our split our commission policy is you decide how much you want the commission to be.
Mhm.
You can go from 0 to 250. Yep.
Okay.
And you pay the loan factory $595.
Perfect.
So our pricing engine is really powerful. You see how easy it is to use. The consumer can see, understand. They can see, they can run the comparison, like the buy down option here. They can see the buy down and it takes 5 years to break even. You can take screenshot and you can share this to your client. You can also compare an FHA versus VA. You can compare 30 years versus 20 years. You can compare and you can see the difference, 355,000 difference. So you can do a lot of different things. You can also view the fee, you can apply, you can see rate, you can create a rate alert. You can check to see if you qualify now. If the borrower can check if they see if they qualify or not.
Mhm.
So view fee, they click on it, they see the fee right away. If they apply, they can apply right away. They can create a rate alert. Let's say the borrower want to refinance and they see the rate of 6%, but they say, oh, that's too high. I want 5.75%, no cost. Then they can create a rate alert. They can set the target points of credit, or if it's a refinance, they can run the pricing and they can create a rate alert. They can say, I want create rate alert. I want this rate. They want lower rate with no point, no cost. You can do that. Let me see. We have a hand up. Dana, I'm sorry, I could not see. Dana, hi Dana. Hello, Dana. I cannot see you. Can I hear?
Sorry, actually, I was in mute. I was talking in mute only. Yeah.
Sure.
Sorry. Yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
So I'm from California, and when I spoke to your colleagues, they said actually the lender paid commission is 2% for California, and for other state it is 2.5%. Am I right?
I think in California we set it at I think 1.75. I'm not so sure, but pretty high. And then outside of California we set at 250 bps.
Oh, that's okay. But actually here the pricing is going with 1% lender paid commission. So
Oh,
like
I forgot to mention to you.
okay.
Let me share with you. I forgot to mention that. Okay, here, let me explain.
Yeah.
You see right at the bottom, we show our loan officer who have license in this state, Florida, right? And then every loan officer, you have your own website.
Oh, got it.
Every loan, we create a website for you. Like
Okay.
Ann Nguyen here, she have her own website, and you can purchase your own domain name. Let's say here, her name is Ann. She purchased a domain called yes2ann.com.
Okay.
She promote this domain name. We promote it, we build a website for you and it's free. And here's her website. And she have her own pricing engine. And you at the loan officer, you have your website, you have your own pricing engine. You set your own commission. So you can, if you think 1% is too low, you can put it at 1.5 or 2%. If you think that 1% is too high, you can put it at 0.5%. It's up to you.
Oh.
You control your website, your pricing engine. It's up to you.
Okay, but I heard actually is if you want to go less than 2%, you should go with borrowed paid only. You can't go with lender paid. They said to
Correct.
me.
Correct. Lender pay, you cannot change.
Okay.
The lender pay is fixed.
Okay.
However, if you want to change, you have to switch to borrow pay and you can lower. Okay. And the same thing for correspondence.
Mhm.
If you want to do no closing costs, you should do correspondence because we can charge the borrower whatever we want, up to 250 bps. And we don't have to disclose to the borrower. And there's no such thing as borrow pay or lender pay. It's all the same. We just make whatever we want. Okay?
Okay.
So you understand now? If you have questions, just let me know so that I can explain more. So basically, at your website, you allow people to set rate alert. People can see the rate, the review. You can build your review. She has a lot of review. So this is a review. There's a lot more that you can do on your website. California Dream for All, we added for a loan officer. You can promote this landing page to capture lead. And we explain everything about this program. So there's a lot of different products that you can promote. You can do any of these loans. Okay. Hey, Celine.
Hey, how's it going? Question. Can this
Yes.
also, do you have two questions? Can you have this in Spanish as well, or is it only English?
Yes, you can see the flag here.
Okay, I didn't see that.
You can
Awesome.
switch it to Spanish.
All right. And the second question would be, this data, when it's captured, does it only come to us or does it go to the main pool of leads?
It go to you. It's your website.
Is there a time frame, or let's say after a certain time that it goes to the main pool or anything like that?
No, it's always go to you. It's yours. It will never go to the main pool.
And I hate to be like a devil's advocate, but is this in writing somewhere that I could guarantee? Because let's say if I have a client that's very data sensitive, that doesn't want their data to be put out to the main pool, and then
we
all of a
build
sudden they get contacted.
we build a system like this, and
Mhm.
that's how it worked.
Okay,
We build
I
a
just
and it's, I think, you know, it's hard to write out everything on paper, right? And the fact is we have 2,500 loan officer. That is the biggest guarantee. Because if the company do anything to take away your lead or your client, you're gonna get mad and share with the other loan officer, and everyone gonna leave the company.
10
So you don't have to worry about that because the company, we are here to help you successful. We will not do anything to get you upset.
Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you, Celine. So let me share with you a lot more. So here is the benefit that we offer, why you should join Loan Factory. We have the rate technology. So far, you only see the pricing engine and the website that we build for you. And remember, our website we build for you, you can customize it. We have the pricing engine. You can customize your pricing engine. You can choose what lender to show. You can choose your compensation. You can do a lot of customization on your website. And it's completely free. It's free. You don't have to pay monthly charge. Monthly, that's fee or technology fee, nothing. And you don't have to purchase the software out there like Lending Pad, Arrive, Loan Shifter. You don't have to pay for all of those software. We have all of those for you. And we have more. I'm going to show you we have a lot more to offer you. And everything is free. Free training. We have a lot of training I showed you earlier. Marketing support. We have a team of marketing staff who can help you. Wherever you need help, like edit a video, create customized image, run ads, they can help you. All of that. Underwriting support. We have a team of 6 underwriters who are standing by to help you if you have questions about guideline, if you need to calculate DTI, if you need to find the lenders, if you need to find a lender or product for your clients, they are there to help you. We have live customer support on our marketplace. You saw that earlier. We don't charge any fee at all. You can save a lot of money. Our policy, our commission is 100% commission minus a flat fee of $5.95. So let me see, where is it? Yeah, compensation here. If you are 1099, you get 100% commission minus $5.95. If you are W2, we pay you only 90% of the commission. And we also charge you a processing fee of $500, which is a lot lower than the ongoing rate out there, $500. And our processor do a lot of work, a lot more than third-party processor. Our processor, the moment the loan ready to be submitted, you signal, you tell them, they will jump in, they will register the loan, they will issue disclosure, they work with the condition, they work with lender, they work with escrow, they work with insurance agent, they do VOE for you, they do HOA for you, the condo questionnaire and all that. They do all of those for you. You don't have to do anything. Okay? The processor is supposed to touch your loan every day. The processor supposed to submit your loan to the lender within 4 hours. The processor is supposed to work with you for a long time so that you know each other. They are your assistant. They work with you closely. If your loan is approved, they will call you and go over all conditions with you to make sure you and them are on the same page. They will explain to you how they will clear the condition, make sure you also agree. And they will also have to escalate to you or their manager if they got stuck on any condition. So that because of the way we work like that, the loan moves very fast and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to worry about the loan. They take care of it for you. So that's how our processor work. If you are licensed in this state, you have to be W-2. There are 12 states. In California, if you are DFPI, you have to be W-2. Georgia, Indiana, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. These are the 12 states that you have to be W-2. I see some hand up. Hi, Leo. Hello, Leo.
Hey, how you doing, Tuan?
Yeah.
One of the questions that I have is, so if I already have a processor on my team that I'm working with and she's charging a third-party fee, a third-party processor fee, do we still have to pay that processing fee to you as as pretty much the organization?
By law, the processor have to be either a licensed third-party processing company, or they have to be an employee of Loan Factory. We cannot allow anyone to be your processor. So that is tricky right there. So if you are producing loan officer, we might be able to hire your staff. We have to hire your processor. The processor have to be an employee of Loan Factory in order to process your loan.
Gotcha.
Or they have to have a license as a third-party processing company.
Yeah, she's licensed in California.
Yeah, so if she's licensed to work for a third-party processing company, then she can sign up to be our third-party processor. And then every loan that you close, you can charge the borrower and she get paid.
Got it. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Thank you, Leo.
Thank
Hey, Reno.
Yes. Hello, how are you?
Good. Thank you.
I have a question because when you're talking about I'm living in Florida as well. And when you're talking about a website, what is the background on the website? Did they have to charge a fee every month for maintenance?
Can you say that again?
On the website, do we have to pay every month for maintenance the website?
No, everything free. We build it for you. It's free.
What about the advertising? Is any other cost?
We help you with the advertisement, but you have to pay. Let's say you want to advertise on Facebook. You have to pay Facebook. We just help you.
Okay. How long did it take for after the closing for the payment?
We pay every other day. If you are
Every other-
1099. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So let me continue. So you know that nowadays, let me finish it up. I'm sorry. We are licensed in 48 states. We do have company lead in 42 states and Facebook lead, but most of these are pretty much limited because we have so many loan officers. Well, we're gonna rank our loan officer. If you rank high, then if we have a lead, we will send it to you first. So we will use our mobile app and send it to you. You can claim it. If you want to work on lead, you can claim it and you can work on lead. And if you join Loan Factory, you can also receive bonus if you refer loan officer to Loan Factory. We pay cash or ISU. And if you click on it, you can see, depend on that loan officer, if you the loan officer that you refer to. If you refer someone close 60 loans a month, you can get paid $5,000 or 5,000 share of ISU, share of the company, Loan Factory. Okay, so let me share with you something else, our website. So here's our website. On top here, the borrower, when they fill out the application, they fill out a short version of the 1003. So we have two versions. One for
The
the
screen didn't change if you're trying to show us something different.
Yeah, let me change it. I'm sorry. So we have two different types of application. If the borrower fill out application on your website, it's a short version. It's really fast. But for you, when you view the application, it's a full application. And the borrower or you can click here to start the application, right? The application can be filled out manually or by AI. When I talk about AI fill out the application, I mean you can drag in the document. Like here, you can drag the document here. It can be driver license, tax return, pay stub, W-2, bank statement. You can drag it here. And AI will read the information on these documents and fill out for us, for the client. So that's one way to fill out the application. Other way is to fill out manually. You can also invite borrower to fill it out. You can issue the pre-approval, pre-qualification letter, and you can import a 3.4 XML here into the system. The main feature that we have is the rate alert right here. So our rate alert is, oh, there's a bug. Yeah, 1 second. I'm trying to save it. Okay, so here's our rate alert, and you can see that I have, we monitor the rate for refinance, right? So when I have a loan with a client, I create rate alert. You saw the rate alert earlier, right? So the rate alert is the most powerful feature that all loan officer must have. Because look at this. Today, I have 23 clients that have target hit. And I can reach out to these clients to invite them to apply for the refinance. So for example, here, I can look at the conversation history. I send out this email to them. We realize market rate has hit your target. So I send this email to the client this morning to let them know that the rate has hit so that they can start to refinance with me. So just today, 23 people, I have 23 potential clients who might want to apply because they can save a lot of money. So this rate alert is the most powerful tool that I have. And look at how many alerts do I have. I have 6,400 active alerts that stand alone. And I have almost 1,500 active alerts that link to a transaction. So many alerts that running every day to detect who should refinance with me, who I should reach out to invite them to apply for refinance. And I don't understand, it's a no-brainer. Every loan officer have to have this feature, but loan officers out there are not doing this. And I see that lately, Rocket, some companies are start doing this now lately. And you have to do it. If you pay attention, business are getting more difficult. The reason is loan officer and company out there, they are getting smarter. They have better software. They compete better. And if you don't have the tool, you don't have the technology, you will lose out. You will see the technology is getting so amazing. And you will see, I will show you more and more. This is yet the beginning. This is nothing. Hey, Joshua.
Hi. As far as the rate notifications, I have a database of about 1,000 clients, past clients and applicants. How do I move that database to Loan Factory and set up rate alerts? Because some of them have different rates. Some, like I have my Excel spreadsheets, and Some of them have high rates, low rates. How do I set that up if I wanted to?
If you have all the information,
Mhm.
we might be able to help you. So for example, on the pricing engine here, if you pay attention right here, in order to create rate alert for them, you need to have this information, right?
Okay.
So you have to have their name, their email, so that you can reach out to them. You have to have the property value. If you have the address, we can get the property value. You have to have the loan amount that they have. So these are the information that we need, the basic information. So if you have all of this information of that 1,000
Mhm.
leads, we
Yes.
can create rate alert for you.
So you can do a generic rate alert. Like I said, some of the rates are different. So maybe you could do a generic rate alert when it gets below 5 for all my clients, something like that.
You have that, you know, the current rate right now?
For everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have it on my data. Yes.
Yeah, then normally we set it to half a point or 3/4 of a point lower. That
Okay.
is the new target rate for
So
them.
So you can import all my data and send out these messages and advertise to them and everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
And I can do even better than that. Just last night I was thinking, let me show you something more, a lot more powerful. You heard about HomeBot, right? On My Home IQ, right?
Yes.
HomeBot or My Home IQ. We have something similar or even better. So we have Loan Factory IQ. That's what we call Loan Factory IQ, and it's the same thing that My Home IQ. So you see, I have this many homeowner, and my homeowner, I can see that they have one report here. I send it to them 4 times. They read 3 times. They look at the report 1 time. So this is the address of the client, and I can look at the report. And when I look at the report, I know all of this information are public information. So Loan Factory, we have a database of all consumers in America. We know everything about their property and their mortgage. So if you look at here, we know when they bought the house at this price, the estimate equity, we have all of this information. Home estimate, if they want to do a cash out, they can do it. They can check the current payment. They can check the early payoff option. They can see their refinance option, and they can see their purchasing power. And I can go through the list for you. If they want a cash out, they can do cash out refi or credit line. And we show them how much they can cash out down here. If we show them what are they paying every month and how much they pay total, and they can, this is their current loan right now. And if they pay more every month, let's say if they pay 300 more, how much they save. If they pay 1,000 more, how much they will save. We show them this. We show them that right now the rate is 2.62%, and the current rate is 5.5. So there's no point of refinance for them. But sometimes if the rate is higher, we can modify this. The borrower can update this. So I can pick someone else. Let's see. Hopefully, I can pick someone else. Let's see this one. I can view the report. Her rate is 5.49%, and the current rate is not 6.25. So there's no benefit. So the borrower, they see this, they love it because we monitor the rate for them. Sometimes they have 6, 7, 8%. They see this, they say, wow, right now the rate's only 6.25. They apply. They can click on they can set up the rate alert right here. Or they can click on it We'll take them to your website. They can fill out the application on your website. So we take them here, we show them the rate, and they can create rate alert. They can monitor the rate themselves. So we show them if they buy another house, they can trade up or they can buy an investment property and how much they can qualify. So on the bottom and the top, we show them your information. And this is free to you. If you join Loan Factory, you can use it for free. And you can share that to your realtor. You can connect to 1,000 realtor and have them access to this product. They can use it. They can send it to their client. If they send it to their client, you and them will be featured here, side by side, on the top and on the bottom of the report. Our report is better than HomeBot or My Home IQ because we have the pricing engine here. We show them the current rate. We show them that we create rate alert for them. Very powerful. And you can, you can do this. Joshua, you said you have 1,000 clients. You can do this. Let me share with you. You can actually go back. You can do a book import right here.
Right.
And our technology is better. We use AI to help you import. So we only need the property address, their name, and their email. That's all. We will import and create the list of all your 1,000 clients. And you can create, you can create rate alert right there on the spot as well for them. You can go in here, you see 1,000 here. You can see 1,000 homeowner. You can view one by one. You can click on it and see the report. You click, we do everything for you. All you do is just import. We do all the work for you. Everything is free. And think about this. Mortgage is, in order to be successful, it's all about how you impress them, how they think of you. If you are so good, they love you, they like you, you need to show them that you are so good, you have the best technology, the best pricing. And you always stay. And then another factor is you have to stay in front of their eyes, top of mind. Most consumer, they don't go. Mortgage is not like something that they need every day, right? Mortgage, they might not need it and for another 3 or 5 or 7 years. They might forget you. So that's why you need to stay in front of them all the times. And that's why this feature is so powerful. You send it to them free once a month, the report. They love to read it. So put yourself as the consumer, as the homeowner. All homeowner would love to know how much the house worth. What is the rate right now out there so that they can refinance? They want to know how much equity they have. They want to know what they can do with their equity. You give them all of this valuable information. And it's just an email once a month. They would love to click on it and check it out, right? And that is the art of doing business. You want to stay in front of them. And they always look at you. They always see you. They see your name. They see your picture. They always remember you. And when they need mortgage, of course, they reach out to you. You're the one that offer them all the benefits. So this is a great feature, and it's also free to you. You can use it for free.
Thank you.
Any question about this Loan Factory IQ? We have so many other features. Like gift, you can send a gift to your client. It's $46. It's a curtain wall. It's a really good curtain wall. And we do everything for you. If you sign up, if you want to use it, we charge you $46. And that's it. We send it to your client. Everything we take care. On the curtain board, we're going to engrave it with your name, your signature, and the client's signature as well, their initial. There's a lot more. Let me see. I have to move fast. Marketing feature. Let me see. Hey, Reno.
I have a question for you. Would you please let us know a little bit more on the Loan Factory, how this process and how long you been in the market?
What process are you talking about?
Okay, how long that the Loan Factory was organized
We
and
are
how
around,
long you been service the loan officer and what the best benefit that we will receive from it?
so we've been around 20 years, but we only opened up the company for loan officer less than 4 years ago.
Okay.
The reason we opened up in the past, before, during COVID and before COVID, the company is only for me. I built a company up. It's so good that I became the #1 loan officer in the country. 2020 and 21, I became the #1 loan officer in the country 2 years in a row. 2021, I closed $2.4 billion myself under my
Wow.
name. 2.4 billion. I built up a rate company, rate technology, rate process. I have everything so good, but then after the pandemic, rate shot up like this. So I figured out that instead of let go of my staff, I should open up the company to help loan officer. So as soon as I open up the company, so many loan officers love it. They jump in, they join, and we scale from 0 loan officer to right now around 2,400 loan officer, 2,400 loan officer. We are one of the mega broker, the second biggest broker in the country. And it's just a matter of time because we are growing so fast. We soon will be the #1 broker in the country. But being a broker is not everything we want to be. We want to be a direct lender. We want to dominate. We want to have the best pricing. Nobody can come close. And there are 2 ways we can accomplish that. Become a direct lender, or we are signing up with Pylon. I shared with you earlier. So hopefully in a week or 2, we can sign up and we can work with them. They have the best pricing in the country. Okay. So now let me show you our other feature. You see Ally here? That is the name of our automated marketing, which is very similar to Hootsuite. It helps us post on social media. You can post a text or video on social media. Right now, it's only work for Facebook. It's only work for Facebook. You can go here and create a post. We have a template already. You can select the template. You can select the template that you like, and then you can modify it. You can have AI enhance it. AI will enhance it for you. You can regenerate it, your image using AI. So AI will, based on the text here, to generate the image for you. They can regenerate. You can give them the instruction, what you want, what you don't want, and AI will generate it. And then you can go next and you can select where you want to post, and it posts it for you.
That's great.
And then when you post, you can generate a post. And we are adding all other social media like LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. We're going to add a lot more social media platforms so that you can select and send it all out. And you can plan it. You can schedule ahead of time too. And all of these are free. If you need help, the marketing team can help you build your social media presence, help you create a page, help you with all of this. And soon we will have, this tool will be really smart. It has AI. So AI can monitor your competitor. AI will monitor your competitor and find out what they post. And then we can generate something similar or better and post for you. So the whole thing is just amazing. The technology is very good. So this is what we build. You can do the setting here. You can add more social media presence, or you can do this auto post event. So let's say if you join Loan Factory, we will post it for you. We welcome you. We help you get 5-star review from Google. So if you get a 5-star review, the system know that the system will generate a post and post it for you automatically. If you clear to close a loan, we'll post it. You can turn on it so our marketing team can post it for you. We can use our own content and post for you. So we are adding more feature.
Excellent.
That is a marketing feature, and it's free. We have Facebook ads here. We're gonna combine them. Facebook ad, you can run Facebook ads. You can say I want lead or I want traffic. This is lead, this is traffic. And if you choose lead, you can select what you want to promote, right? You want to promote California Dream for All. This is the best program out there for California first-time buyer. You can promote it, and you can enter how much you want to spend per day, $15, when you want to stop. And you can see the text, the image here, the text here. And you can change it if you want to. Then you can promote it. It promote only for California and the language. You can submit it, and it will be run for you. You can even check it here, so that if, let me see, if there's a new lead, it will text you. Our system will send you a text message, let you know that you can, there's a new lead, so that you can call and help that lead. Okay, so there's a lot more, and I can keep go on and go on. We do company review to help. We do review to help you collect review. So we help you create a Google Business profile so that you can gather review. You can do email drip campaign. You can turn on the holiday campaign so that your client will receive an email for every holiday. You can send it to your referral realtor. You can do a follow-up campaign on your lead, prospect, or loan clients. So if you see on top here, we have 3 pipelines: lead, prospect, and loans. 3 different pipelines. The lead pipeline is just the lead, right? You know that. Prospect pipeline is having all of the application. Loan is actually an actual loan submitted to the lender already. So you can create drip campaign to drip them. You can see we have thousands of marketing materials to help you promote. You know, look, Rocket have this program. If your realtor is a Compass realtor, then the client will get 40 basis points special. So this Compass agent will get this. You can promote all of this. You can click and generate the image. So your image, your avatar image, your information will show up on the bottom of the image, and you can post it. So we have thousands of these marketing material for you to post. A lot. Thousands of it. Okay? You can do contact list where you can text or email your client, a list of clients. We have lead funnel and widget. We have all kind of, we have training academy, which is an online class for you to learn. We have an online academy right here. Right here. You can study, you can pick courses here. Okay. Let's see. What else? Okay. Anyway, I want to open up for question. Any question?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you have any question, just let me know. I love to answer the question that you have. Hey, Renaud, you still have question? You
Yes.
raised.
No, you do a lot. I did not expect that you go to so much great information. I really appreciate it
Thank you. Thank you.
because I need to find out. I want to find out the best informations and the reason why I had to join the company because I'm choosing to select a company to work with it.
Yep. Yep. It's important to shop around. You do the right thing. If you sit here, you learn a lot about Loan Factory, and you can use that knowledge to compare. You have to compare. You have to pick the best lender to join, right? The lender,
Yeah.
oh, I'm sorry, the best company, and the company have to help you with everything. The companies have to help you get the best pricing, the best technology, the best process, the best service, so that you can close loans fast and clients are happy with you. The realtor happy with you, right? So it's so critical that you have to compare everything. You don't want, because right now I see so many problems with the loan officer and broker out there. They don't have a lot of resources. They don't have a good technology. And because of all that, you cannot shop around for your client. You end up working with 2 or 3 lenders forever. And those lenders, you know that, they play game. Sometimes they have good rate. They blast the whole world. They say, hey, I have the best rate, check it out. But it's only for a few days, and then their rate got a lot worse. And a lot of loan officers don't even know this. You send your client to a bad lender, you don't even know. And I don't want to say bad thing about any lender, but the biggest lender out there that most loan officers love, they have very high rate. And I feel bad for loan officer out there. I feel really bad. I don't understand why. I know that they are fast, they are good, they have good process, but the pricing is so bad. Why working with such a lender? Why depend on one lender? You know, every penny counts. But here we're talking about $3,000 or $5,000 easily on every loan. So I really want you to compare everything. And think about this. Think about one day you compete against me, Loan Factory, and our pricing are getting so much better and better. And most of you should aware that 5 or 10 years ago, most consumers don't shop around. Now, most of them shop around crazy. Consumers are getting smarter, and shopping around is so easy nowadays. They look at the loan estimate, they can see everything easier. We can generate the loan estimate quickly and easily. Technology allows consumers to check the rate in 30 seconds on loanfactory.com. So things are keep changing so fast. And if you look at the industry, it's changing so fast. Look at Compass. They have 340,000 agents. That is 1/4 of all agents in the country. One company that have 340,000 agents. And now look at Rocket. Rocket, they are the biggest lender out there. They purchased Mr. Cooper. They purchased Redfin. So now they control everything. From client who want to look for a house to buy to real estate, Redfin, right? They own Redfin now. They own all the lead, the real estate, the client, and now they own Mr. Cooper, which is the biggest servicers out there. So they can send an offer to all homeowners out there. Hey, I have this rate, you want to refinance. And the customer, when they see good rate, and it's convenient too, right? Why not? So that's why big company getting bigger and bigger. For us, we losing client. The client, instead of working refinance with us, now they do it with Rocket, with UWM, because they offer good rate. Rocket and UWM, their technology is getting better and better. So the cost of manufacture alone gonna go down smaller and smaller. And eventually, they will say, why would I need to work with a loan officer out there, a broker out there? You get paid too much. They work directly with the consumer. They give customer better rate, lower rate, and they bypass us. Who knows? It might happen. So that's why at Loan Factory, we try really hard to make sure that we're going to have the best rate and we can compete even against European or Rocket. That's what we are doing. We are, we are trying really hard so that we can compete against anyone, and we're going to have the best rate forever. So that's what we are trying to do. And you see that Rocket is partnered up with Compass. I don't know if you pay attention. They partner up so that Compass and Redfin will list we have private listing there, and they refer lead to each other. They help each other. It's getting crazy and scary out there. So that is something I want to share with everyone. Hi, Erica. Hello, Erica.
Hey there, how are you?
Good.
I just had a question. So I'm just starting out. I just got my license. And so are there specific trainings, like if you're literally just starting out and you want to learn the process of taking applications, things like that, not necessarily marketing and stuff?
Good that you asked this question. Mortgage can be difficult or easy. So basically anything can be difficult or easy.
Right.
It depends on how you solve it. So imagine you join a tiny broker with no support, no technology. It's going to be so difficult. Everything you have to deal with it is so difficult to learn, to be master, to be so good. You cannot you cannot shop around. You cannot send loan to multiple lender. You don't have all kind of products like Loan Factory. Your pricing is not going to be competitive. You're not going to be able to win a lot of clients. One might shop around and leave you. So many problems. So at Loan Factory, we have everything to offer you. And with the technology, your life becomes so much easier. All you need to do, when you join, we give you a website with everything on there. You can tell your client to go there to check the rate. The client check the rate in 30 seconds, they see the rate, or you can check the rate for them. It's so easy. Anyone can understand. You can quote them the rate easily and quickly. You can click the button and send out the rate code to the client. The client see the rate code, they see, oh, it's easy to understand. They don't ask a lot of questions because they understand already. So they apply with you. They apply with you, right, on your website. You get notified. You call them up and say, hey, Kevin, I saw you fill out the application on my website. You need any help? So you help them finish the application and upload documents. Then the only thing you need to do, and you have to do a good, is you have to review the tenancy and the documents, make sure they are matching, make sure you know how to structure the loan. You quote rate, you pick the best lender. So this is the most important task for you as a loan officer, and you should do it. And our corporate coach will train you and help you.
Yeah,
After that,
the
the processor will take over and take care of the loan for you. So we make the entire loan process. We make your job, your life is so easy. That is what we do at Loan Factory. Super easy, super simple. And the client will love you because you are not a single man or woman working on by yourself helping the client. You have a team. You have a processor in your team. And if any of you are high producing loan officer, if you close 3 loans a month, you can sign up to have a loan coordinator or an assistant. This assistant will help you with everything except unlicensed activities.
Right.
And we charge you only $250 per closed loan. It's optional. You don't have to. It's optional. So yeah, Erica, you don't have to worry. We have a lot of training, a lot of support, and we have corporate coach who are available to help you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Erica. Hi, Benegas. You are on mute.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Couple things. Yeah, your information was great. I wanted to know, so from your CRM, where do you manage the leads that come in when you do the ads? Where do they go?
So I can share with you the screen, but because I'm sorry, because I cannot show you the client privacy information. Let me share with you. Let me log in and share with you the screen. So basically, no. Okay. So basically, you need to generate lead, right? And the lead, when you run ads, when you generate lead, it will show up on your list pipeline. So if you log in, you can see the list pipeline. Just 1 second. Here is when you log in, this is what you see. You go to the lead pipeline, then you can see it show up here on top. The most recent lead will show up here on top. You can click to call them or text them, and we keep track what text, what phone call, or what email you make. So we track that. You can do a follow-up. You can create a follow-up, and you can track for the one that passed due. So you need to create a follow up. You want to decide. You can say when you should follow up, like on this Saturday, at what time. You know, you can at 2 p.m. And the reason why you need to follow up, you can set it up so that the system will have a follow up flag right here. So and then Saturday or Sunday, you click on the follow up past due. It will show you the list of loan that you need to follow up. So that's how you do it. You have, of course, you have to call or text or email them, and you need to set up a follow up so that you can follow up.
Okay. Second question is, how do you manage or how do you deal with people who also have a real estate license?
Oh, simple. It is legal to do both at the same time on the same transaction. So we allow that. And in California, we also have a real estate division. So if you are in California, you can work with Loan Factory on both sides of the transaction, real estate and mortgage.
Okay.
Yeah. Any more question?
So just to have an understanding, the license need to be hanged with the real estate department?
Are you in California?
Correct.
Yeah, so your license is DRE license, and your loan license is called DRE endorsed license. Then you can hang both license with Loan Factory and do both with Loan Factory. If you want to do real estate with another company, it's possible. You can hang your DRE with another real estate company, and you can get your DFPI loan license and work with Loan Factory. The only problem is the FBI loan license, we pay W-2, not 1099.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Brad. Hey, Brad,
Hey.
you've been waiting. I know a lot of you raise your hand. Yep, be patient. I'm sorry. Thank you.
No problem. And for everyone's sake, I'll talk quick on this. First off, love the mindset on it. I love how you're growing everything. Yeah, so I'm one of the guys, I use UWM a lot, really because of the service, because I get worried that, hey, listen, if there's issues with the loan, it can mess up that whole chain of transactions that I'll have with a real estate agent. So what do we do when we go to these lenders that I may not have used before to make sure that that I'm not like ending up looking stupid with delays?
I mean, we want competition, right? If you get comfortable with one lender, you don't shop around, and you don't shop around, you don't get the best service or pricing. So
Right.
at Loan Factory, we encourage all loan officers to shop around, and do not hesitate to send your loan to any lender. Any lender, we don't care, even provident funding, because we have the technology, we track things, we get things done fast, and the processor have to work on the loan really hard. They need to escalate to their manager or the AE to help you. And you too, you can always call the AE up and talk to them. So the only time when 𝐷𝐷𝐄 is really helpful and you must work with them is if you are a small brokerage. You don't have a lot of support. You don't have a lot of technology. Then you have to depend on them. But at Loan Factory, you should not. You should go with the best lender, with best pricing to help yourself and help your client. That's my recommendation.
And then my last question is, if we end up getting like leads, like I'll get them through social media a lot, that's just outside of my licensed area. How can I work within the Loan Factory with other agents here so that I can get paid on those leads that we bring in?
You can work with other loan officer and refer each other the lead. If you are W2, you can send to the company me. I pay you 50% of the commission, and you don't need to do anything. And that is only for the W2. If you are 1099, we cannot pay you any referral bonus because that is RESPA violation. But you can also get licensed to help them if you want to, or you can have a team. You build a team up.
Sure.
Some of you get licensed in those states, and you can help share the lead.
Sure. I'm just asking, I have an economics channel. I've never marketed mortgages on that economics channel. But I imagine if I opened up the pipeline, I'd get a lot in, but I'm not licensed in California. I wouldn't try to be. If I could refer it to the company, that would be ideal.
Yeah. We can always accommodate that. As long as you W2, you refer to the company, we pay you 50% of the commission, and you don't need to do anything.
I'm okay with that.
Thank you. Thank you, Brad. Yeah. Hello, hi, Rick. Oh, Rick, yeah. Hello, hi, Rick.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm also new. I'm not necessarily new to mortgages. I'm a builder here in New Jersey, and I've done private lending, like my own money, hard money. And now I'm getting my license. The only thing I don't understand is that you said 0 to 2.5% commission. We choose what we want. Where does that money come out of? Is that out of the customers? So if it's a 5.8%, I have to add 2% or 1% to that?
So basically, let me share with you the screen and I will explain to you.
Okay.
So depend on the rate that you pick, the lender will decide what to do. So let's say this, right? Let's run a pricing. And you can see that depend on the pricing. You see, for illustration, it's fine. We can use this. So let me do this one then.
So the rates that I'm seeing here are the wholesale rates, kind of like the rates to the loan officer. Is that how that works?
No, let me explain. Okay. You look at my screen. Oh no, this is not the right website. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay. So depend on the rate, the lender. If you pick a very low rate, you have to pay the lender points. The lower the rate, the more points you have to pay, and vice versa. If you pick the high rate, the lender will pay you back. Right here, you see this?
Mm-hmm.
So if you click on, if I click on here, you can see that at 6.5,
Okay.
the lender pay 3.125%.
Paid to you, to the broker, to the agent.
To the broker and customer, the borrower at the same time.
Okay.
They don't care. They don't care. You pick the rate. If you pick high rate, they pay you more. If you pick low rate, you have to pay them. So if you pick 6.125, they pay you less. So with that money that the lender pay, You and the borrower will split up. You decide if you want to keep a lot or keep little. If you keep a lot, then the borrower has to get higher rate or pay more in points. That's it.
Got
It's really
it.
simple.
Yeah, very simple. I understand. All right, great.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see. Hi, Marcy.
Hello. I just had a question more on the process. So what is the loan officer responsible for? So say an application comes in for pre-approval or a contract, is there a disclosure desk? Like what is that process?
Yeah, so let me explain again. So basically, you have your own website and mobile app as well.
Right.
You can ask your borrower to go to your website to check the rate and fill out the application. When they fill out the application, our system know that and send you a text message so that you can call the borrower right away and help them. So it's very important. It's so important to get the client commit, right?
Right.
And when they fill out the application, they commit. They send you document, they commit. So you want to help them with that process. You want to make sure they finish the application and send you all the document. So that's the first thing you do. Loan officer need to find the client and make sure they fill out the application, right? Help them secure the loan, secure the deal so that they apply with you. After they apply and give you all the document, you will go in and review the 1003. I advise my client that slow down, review the client. It's the most important process. I ask all my new train to spend at least 15 minutes on the application, go over and over page by page. I want my loan officer to, after you review the 1003, you close your eyes. I ask any question about the borrower, you have to tell me. You have to know.
Okay.
That way your client will, you can treat your client like your friend. You know everything about your friend, right? And the client will impress and they will love you. So when you talk to them, you know everything. And then you also review all the documents, make sure it's matching. So if there's any discrepancy between the document and the 1003, you need to write it down. Write out all the discrepancy, all of the question that you want to know, and then call the borrower and ask them all in one shot. Don't go back and forth. Okay. After you get everything you want, get all your answer, then you should go in and run the pricing. You check the rate for your client, right? You check the rate, you find the best lender, and you create rate alert for your clients. Because all clients, they have to lock rate, they have to close loan, right? So they have to monitor the rate. You have to communicate with them about the rate, right? And the best way to monitor the rate and for them to monitor, to understand the rate and tell you when they want to lock the rate is using the rate alert. This is a powerful tool. So what I do is I call my client up and say, hey, Kevin, thank you for complete the application and send me all documents. I review everything look good. I'm gonna send your loan to the lender right now. The lender will approve your loan within 1 or 2 days. After the lender approve your loan, they will give us the list of conditions. They want more documents from us. My processor will reach out to you and let you know what document the lender wants. So please work with my processor and give them what they want. If you have any question, of course, you can ask the processor or ask me. I'm here. I'm always ready to answer any question you have. But when you work with the processor to clear all the conditions, if we can clear all the conditions, then we will be able to close the loan. Okay? And meanwhile, while waiting, I created a rate alert for you already. The rate alert will monitor the rate every day. So mortgage rate change every day, every morning. So around 9 a.m., please check your email. You will see the rate. If you like the rate, call me, I will lock for you. If you don't like the rate, we have to wait. So, but make sure you call me to lock within the next 2 weeks because we don't have time. We have to close the loan in 30 days. If it's purchase, I tell them this. But if it's refinance, I say we have to lock in order to close the loan. So if you don't like the rate, we can keep waiting forever. But, you know, rate keep go up and down. Eventually they will lock for sure. I don't need to tell them that. So that is what happened, right? The borrower will monitor the rate for me and tell me when to lock the rate. And that's it. That's all you need to do.
I understand all that. I'm asking about disclosures, like who sends those out?
I forgot to mention this. Okay, I think you joined a little bit late. I mentioned about this earlier. So when you convert the loan from prospect into a loan, that means the loan ready to go. You will indicate that I want the wholesale or correspondent channel. You will indicate what lender you want to submit to. You will indicate how much you want to make the commission. If you send it to the wholesale channel, you have to say is it lender pay or borrower pay, and what is the commission. So you do all of this so that the processor will follow your instruction. So the processor will do everything for you, everything. They will register the loan. They will issue the disclosure. Of course, they will send you the LE for you to review. And if the LE look good, you can. We will proceed and send it to the borrower for them to sign. So the processor will do everything for you. You only take care of explaining the LE to the client and make sure they want to lock rate, and you have to go in and lock the rate for your client.
Okay.
Yeah, the processor will do everything for you.
Great. Thank you. That's awesome.
And they charge only $500 per closed loan, which is very, very reasonable, very good. Thank you, Marcy. Hi, Anthony.
Hey there, got a couple quick questions. So I'm be 10 years in this in a couple of weeks, and I do about 80 to 100 loans a year. So I have a team that you know are an integral part of my process. So what does that look like as far as salaries and things like that for those folks? Or is that something that I take care of and like, you know, obviously bake into my comp? I'm in Florida, so I'd be 1099. So that's my first question. And then I've got a couple more quick ones.
Sure. Depend on your production and your team, how big they are. The answer might slightly different. But in general, if they are licensed, you can have your own team. When you join Loan Factory, we create a team for you. And in your team, if they are licensed, they can join your team. They can get a split from you. No problem. It's easy. The issue will arise if they don't have a license. If they don't, then that's easy. Then you can create a team and you can split commission with them. You can split it two ways.
Give them a salary.
You want to pay them a salary.
Yeah, can they be W-2 with you if I'm in 1099?
It's possible if you have the production. Yeah.
Okay. You mentioned processors. Can you know if I create a relationship with a processor, can that be the only one I use?
Yes, yeah. You depend on your production, right? We always give you one processor. We don't give you many processors. We don't want to confuse you and your client.
Yes.
And if your production is high, let's say you close 10, 15, 20 loans, you might be able to have that processor exclusively. But okay. yeah, but you have one
like
processor.
8 or 10 a month, so that's probably not yet. But
yeah.
And then the website that you create and how it has the processing or the pricing engine in it. So
Yes.
would that pricing engine be unique to me and my comp plan?
Yes, it's unique. You come in, you go in, you set up your pricing engine, you set up your comp. Yes.
Okay. And then,
Normally I advise loan officer like you to set up a little bit higher than what you want. And
well,
then
you
you
don't
can
go high enough for what I want. You only go to 250.
No, it's good enough. Nowadays people are competing crazy. So 250 is not too bad. You know,
Now, on correspondent, is there any more flexibility from 250?
we
I'm
still
getting
have
correspondent now. So,
right now it's 250.
Okay.
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
And then do you also allow for like a branch override?
It's same thing at the team, right? Your team, when they join you are the team leader. You can set up an override, what we call that a commission split. Same thing at override, right? So you can earn 5% or 3% on every single loan that your team member close. You can do that. Our system can automate the whole thing for you.
Yeah, I guess that's not my question. I guess I was trying to see if my comp plan is 250, but I have a branch override of another 20 or 30 basis points. That would come off the 250 then. So I guess there's no kind of way to back into a branch concession.
Wait. The branch override.
Yeah.
You want to get paid, let's say 30 basis point.
Like, so on top of the 250, like on the back end for expenses and stuff like that, that could be funneled to say an
I
expense
see.
account where I can bill
I see.
for different
So
expenses.
so you don't want the loan officer to know the back end thing, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Right now we don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So from a salaried standpoint for loan assistance, though, that's something we can figure out.
Yes, we can do that. So normally this is what we do. Let's say you want to pay salary of 3,000, for example, 3,000 a month. We might be able to charge you, let's say, $360 extra per every loan that you close. Let's say we figure out you close 10 loans a month, so we charge you $3,500 extra to pay for that loan officer, that employee. And we can always reconcile at the end of the year to give you a bonus, or we can adjust that.
And can we build that into, say, the processing fee instead of 500? We could make it like $999 or something.
And it's all about the compensation. You keep 100% anyway, right? So instead of charging 220 BIP, you can raise that to 245 BIP or 250 BIP to make it up. You can always do that. You have control over how much you want to make. The only problem for you is we cap it at 250. But other than that, it's flexible. You can be flexible and you can charge that.
Okay, so if I was at 250, could I make and I'm just being devil's advocate here. Can I make the processing fee $999 to cover some of the salaries?
The law allows that. Nothing prevents us from doing that. But the only thing is that Loan Factory, we want to keep everything transparent. We want to keep everything simple. So normally we try to encourage everyone to keep it the same. The only thing that we encourage you to do, it varies your comp. That way you can make up for everything else. You have to keep things simple for everyone. That's all.
Understood.
Yeah, I hope you understand that. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you. Hey, Joshua.
Hi, Mr. Nguyen. Thanks for taking all my questions, guys. I know I had a few, but I'm real serious about moving probably the end of this week. And congratulations on what you've accomplished. This just seems really incredible. I've been doing loans for on and off almost 30 years. So I've been looking for the technology. I do about 5 loans a month on my own with the small brokerage firm. It's kind of the way I like it. I really take a lot of care in every single client. That's how I've been successful. I do a lot of relationship building. I hold every client's hand, and I don't want to change that in any way. So my question really is about the processing. So, and I work with Rocket. I've been working with Rocket for about 5 years. They're fantastic. I could practically process a loan with them myself. I think they're real easy. It's one of the reasons I'm looking at Loan Factory. So typically I'll register the loan just because I want to see what it looks like. I want to look at the findings. I want to make sure the numbers are right, etc. See what their conditions are. And then I pass it off to my processor and have a conversation and, let them know what the game plan is and let them take the ball from there, which I'm sure you guys could do as well. But my question really is more on the processing is, are there processes in your company that are a little more specialized to Rocket and we could maybe interview them? Because I'm going to probably do 60% of my business still with Rocket because that's where I'm doing it now.
Yeah. We send a lot of loan to Rocket.
Yeah.
So for sure, all of our processors are good dealing with Rocket loans, and our processors are very experienced. So that is not a concern. And I want to share with you that we automate the disclosure process. So what happened is, let's say you join Loan Factory. You have a loan and you want to submit to Rocket, right? In the past, we have a loan processor to go in and do everything. But now AI is taking over. So we build out our AI automation. You, as the loan officer, when it's ready to be submitted, instead of you yourself log into Rocket website and submit it and issue the disclosure, AI can help you. And you will be able to see what happened on your screen. AI would do this and that. You see everything happening on your screen. And then after AI generate the loan estimate, we will pop it up on your screen for you to review. And you will be able to say, I accept it, or I reject it. And then you can change the fee. So AI is taking over and help you with the disclosure process. And right now it's only working for Rocket.
Okay. And exactly 2 more questions. I mean, Rocket always discloses anyway. And so the AI sounds great, actually. So 2 more questions. One is credit report fees. Do you have a relationship for soft pulls, and how do we?
Yes.
Yeah. And how much does that cost?
It's very cheap. Let me see if I have the cost here. It's very cheap. We negotiate with Advantage Credit to get better pricing. And then also there's a new vendor called Advantage Plus. It's even cheaper.
Okay.
So yeah, it's cheaper than people out there for sure. 100% sure, cheaper. And of course with Rocket, you know that we can pull the credit report on their website for free.
Right. So, but on the soft pulls, I'll be 1099. How do I get my bill? Is it, do I just set up with them my own account and then get your discount?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, your account is under Loan Factory.
Okay.
And you pay for it. But when we close the loan, the processor will submit the invoice and charge the borrower back, and we pay you back.
Okay. And then very last question about marketing. So with the website and the marketing, the email drips and everything else, I have my own brand out here, that loan guy and so on. It has a little branding thing. Can we brand our own way in the website, or does everything have to be branded Loan Factory?
It's a little bit complicated. Let me explain it to you. So you can use Power By.
Okay.
That is the most easier one. Right. So whenever you mention your ABC mortgage, you have to say Power by Loan Factory.
Okay.
And the website that we build for you, you can have your own domain name, and it can be abcmortgage.com. I don't care. We don't care. The regulator is okay with that.
Okay.
Except New Jersey, they don't allow that.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thanks for the time, everyone.
Thank you. Yeah, let's see. But I guess I think I answered your question.
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, AI is moving so fast, and I'll share with you a lot more. We are doing a lot of great things with AI. AI can calculate DTI for even self-employed borrower, for even bank statement program. We have that already. Our AI take care of all of this for us. So you will see that the technology is moving so fast. Everything become you need to focus on building your reputation and relationship with the consumer. And you should not worry too much about the process because it's getting automated more and more. And soon you will realize that you should spend 100% of your time going out there to build relationship, to bring in clients, because everything else is not relevant. Don't focus your time, your effort into processing loan or doing things that not relevant. Just focus on bringing more clients, run ads, build up your reputation, build relationship with realtor and clients. Hi, Rick. Hello,
Yeah.
Rick.
Yeah, you said it's not allowed in New Jersey. What is not? The where I could say like Rick Ramos agency powered by Loan Factory in New Jersey, I can't do that. It has to say
You can
Loan,
use your name. You can use your name. It has to have your name on it.
not
on the
my
domain.
company name.
Not the company name. New Jersey not allowing that.
So I would advertise my name working for Loan Factory.
Yes, it have to have your name on the URL,
Okay.
on the domain name. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Person, not a company name. It just has to be my name.
exactly.
Yeah. Oh, New Jersey strict. Yeah.
Very strict. They are very strict on that.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, I hope everyone you learn more about Loan Factory, the technology, the way we help our loan officer, the way we run ads, the way we keep ourselves in front of the clients so that we keep growing our business. So running a business, you have to do it. You have to run it the right way. Otherwise, you will struggle. So I know that some of you are very good with dealing with clients, but you're not good at running the business. And it's actually about running the business. So, and of course, we want to challenge you to find any company that's better than Loan Factory in terms of platform technology, the number of number of lender, the way how much we split with you. We keep very little. You keep 100%. And then the pricing is the most important factor. You can shop around, you can get the best pricing and give it to your client. And I keep saying about Pylon. It's a new lender that have super low rate, and we're gonna be on board with them. And we're gonna have better pricing, even better than right now. So I hope that you always have a mindset of staying competitive, of getting better and better, so that you can win. In any competition, it's all about getting better, right? The best will win. If you're not, in the competition, the better one will win. So you want to be better. So, and in order to be better, you have to be so, you have to aware of what's going on. You have to try a lot harder. And of course, by yourself, it's so difficult. The company have to help you with everything else. So it's a great partnership, and Loan Factory want to invite you to join Loan Factory so we can be partner. We help you on some area so that you can be successful. So thank you, everyone. And if any of you want to chat, our team will reach out to you and let you know and ask you if you want to join or not. If you don't want to join, that's fine. Yet, as long as you keep thinking and grow your business, I'm happy. I'm happy for you. But if you join, or if you have more questions, ask my team, or even tell them that you want to talk to me. I will talk to you if you have questions. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for spending time with me.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Very-
Thank you.